For the past few months, rumors and leaks have been circulating on the web, but the wait is almost over, and soon we'll know which ones were accurate and which were not. One of the most recent leaks about the Galaxy Z Fold 5 reveals some incredibly stylish and vibrant cases. Not only do these cases come in 3 different colors, but they also feature a dedicated spot for the S Pen. Ishan Agarwal shared marketing materials on Threads showcasing what could possibly be the official images of these eye-catching Galaxy Z Fold 5 cases. One notable improvement is the significantly less obtrusive S Pen slot, which appears much more seamlessly integrated compared to past generations, where bulkier S Pen sleeves sometimes pose usability issues. On Twitter, the serial tipster Ice Universe posted a photo revealing the alleged Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 cases. These cases do indeed include a dedicated S Pen slot, and it seems the holster can be detached when not in use. Previous rumors hinted that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 might not have an S Pen slot due to Samsung's decision to prioritize a slimmer design. Integrating the S Pen slot into the case might not be groundbreaking or new, but it seems like the most reasonable solution. As mentioned earlier, the Unpacked event is just around the corner, so we won't have to wait much longer to witness the grand reveal of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 and all their accompanying accessories. Both devices are already up for pre-order, and early birds who take the plunge will receive a $50 credit towards any other pre-order deals, Samsung announces on July 26. Samsung's first ever Unpacked event in its home country, Seoul, is scheduled for July 26, 2023. The event will unveil flagship devices in the foldable, tablet, and smartwatch segments. It will be attended by global journalists and streamed online. The live outdoor viewing and product testing for citizens and tourists have been canceled due to safety concerns from severe rains affecting Seoul. As of now, Samsung is keeping the main Unpacked event schedule unchanged. The event will be held indoors at 8 p.m. local time on July 26. There is a possibility of weather-related challenges for some invitees, but no changes are expected in the next few days. That's it for today. What do you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 5? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.